In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can sell digital products online for free with at least 3 separate paths that you can take to making your first digital product sale online. If that sounds good, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I have several recent tutorials on this channel showing exactly how to create digital products, and I'll be publishing several more in the future. So if you're interested in selling digital products, those may be very helpful for you. My name's Alex. I'm a digital marketer and content creator with Lover Fighter Writer, and we're going old school with this video. I'm just going to use this Google Doc to help break down the concepts, and I'll be showing some of the tools and resources along the way that will allow you to create and sell a digital product online with absolutely zero startup cost. Now, if you can afford to invest in some premium tools or resources, I encourage that in most cases, because generally when you're doing things the free way, you're gonna have to put in a little bit more time and effort. But all of the tools that I'm gonna recommend in this video have a free version that you can start with. And I'm gonna show you multiple different ways that you can get started so that hopefully, regardless of where you are in the world and what you wanna sell and what your ability to invest your time and money looks like, you should be able to get something going. And if selling digital products online is a path that you want to follow in your business, then one of the first things that you need to determine is who you want to serve with your product or offers and exactly how you will help them. And I have videos on this channel as well on niche research and audience research. So I'll try to link to some of those in the description, and you can also search my channel if you want to learn more about those. But once you've decided who you want to serve and what you want to help them with, and one of the easiest ways to help nail this down, to decide exactly who you want to serve and what you want to help them with, is to look at existing products. And so in the case of digital products, we're typically talking about information products such as ebooks, online courses, group coaching programs, or potentially software. And there are other options such as fiction books, children's books, coloring books, things like that. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to focus primarily on the idea of selling information. So you're selling a nonfiction ebook, you're selling an online course, you're selling a group coaching subscription, you're selling a software subscription, and selling a piece of software could work very much the same way. And so, for example, if you think about who you want to serve and what you want to help them with, it could be, I want to help middle-aged men lose weight, feel better, and get in the best shape of their life. So that is a fairly specific customer avatar with a very clear goal to help them with, but it's still a broad enough customer segment that there are lots of people within it. And in order to look at existing products that are serving a similar demand, all I need to do is think about, if I wanted to buy a product that was going to teach me how to lose weight, how would I find it? Or how would a middle-aged man find it? And one of the easiest ways is to use Google search or to use Amazon search and just search for things like weight loss or weight loss course. On Amazon, if you specifically search for books, then you can just put in something like weight loss. You can be much more general because you're specifically looking for books. If you're searching Google, you might want to do something more like weight loss course or even weight loss for middle-aged men. And if I come to Google and I start typing this in, it will auto-suggest various search terms for me. And so if I finish typing weight loss for middle-aged men, but I don't hit enter yet, it'll suggest similar search terms. And it looks like a lot of the most popular search terms in this topic are related to how to lose belly fat, which makes sense. So that could be a good product, something specific to losing belly fat, or that could be a good lead magnet. That could be a good way to get people initially in the door, get them on my email list, or get them into a free group with something that will help with this. So I'm going to do this search, and we've got the AI overview. I'm going to ignore that for now, and I want to look at the sponsored results. So the sponsored results are the advertisements, and this one looks like it's just a link to an article, and this one didn't produce as many sponsored results as I thought it would, so I'm going to go with a more obviously commercial search term, and this time I searched weight loss course for middle-aged men. And because I'm looking for a course, Google knows that I'm looking to buy something, and because of that, I got a lot more sponsored results. And the first two are not really courses. One of them is 6 months free on Weight Watchers. Maybe they have courses included in that. Then there's Factor Meals, which is one of those meal delivery services, not a weight loss course. Then we have something called FitFlow, which claims to be the first plan made for men. That seems unlikely, but it is a 12-week weight loss program. So that's one way to look for this type of thing. But the best way is really to go to a marketplace that sells lots of this type of product. Like I mentioned, Amazon and looking at books would work really well. But another place you could do it would be Udemy. Udemy is a pretty popular online course platform and marketplace where you can buy courses on all types of things. So let's see if I type in weight loss for men. And interestingly, there are plenty of nutrition and fitness and weight loss courses on Udemy, but it doesn't seem like any of them are specifically labeling themselves in the title as being for men. And when I search weight loss for women, I am able to find some specific weight loss for women courses, although not that many. So most of the weight loss courses on Udemy are generic, and there don't appear to be many or possibly any at all that are specifically labeled as being for men. So this might actually be a really good place to put a weight loss course for men because it appears that there's not a lot of competition. But that is not even really the point of why I'm doing this. The reason that I'm looking up courses on this topic here is so that I can see what other people are offering. And already I can see that there's a few top creators in this space. You can see we've got Dr. Frank O'Neill has 2 of the top ranked courses, which are on intermittent fasting and improving sleep. And then Felix Harder has a whole bunch up here, including one on weight loss and nutrition and one on weight loss and fitness for building your own custom workout. And so even just by looking at the titles of the courses that are popular on here, I can start to put together an idea of what my course could look like. For example, I could include nutrition, fitness, intermittent fasting, and sleep hygiene modules in my course. And those are all things that I probably would have mentioned anyways, but the fact that those are the things that are getting mentioned in the titles of the most popular courses on Udemy suggests that those are things that I might want to lead with. So it's already giving me some really good ideas. And you'll notice that I mentioned niching down by focusing on weight loss for middle-aged men. Not just weight loss for men, but weight loss for middle-aged men. And the reason for this is that in most cases, as long as you're not niching down so far that you run out of potential customers, generally the more specific you are, the easier it is to sell to the people that you're targeting, and the more you can potentially charge for your solution. And an easy way to think about this is selling something like a website template. So there's all types of places online that you can buy website templates. You can buy them as WordPress themes or child themes. You can buy them as HTML pages. There's all types of different ways that you can buy pre-built website templates. Now think about if you're trying to sell a website template, what's going to make it easier to sell and what's going to allow you to sell it for more? Is it going to be easier to sell and more valuable as a product if you just say it's a website template compared to if you say it's a website template for local business compared to if you say it's a dentist website template? Now, think about the fact that we all basically know what a website template is, but if I ask you if you want to buy a website template, you don't really know if it's for you. Just based on that, it sounds like it could potentially be anything, and it would probably require a significant amount of customization in order to make it look the way you would want it to look. However, if you are a dentist and you need a website or you want to redesign your website, and someone asks if you need a dentist website template, then your response would be, yes, that's something I'd be interested in looking at. And so the more specific and the more niched down you go with your product or your offer, the more quickly your ideal customer is going to know that it's for them just based on knowing what it is. And those are 2 key things to think about when you're deciding who you want to serve with your product and how you want to help them. And when you visit my resources page using the link in the description, it looks like this right now. I'm in the middle of a website redesign, so I might make it look fancier in the future. But at the top here, you can join my email list and get a free copy of my ebook, PLR Products Are the Path, which is all about selling digital products online by coincidence. And then if you scroll down past that, this is where I have my affiliate links to all of the products that I recommend, including everything that I'm going to recommend in this tutorial. And two of the main things that I'm going to recommend are the free PLR, because you can get 10 credits to my favorite PLR website just by signing up with my affiliate link, and System and System.io, because they are, in my opinion, the best free sales funnel builder and kind of all-in-one business software with a really good forever free tier. And once you use this link to sign up, you can scroll down even further, and under the free resources area, if you click on free copy of my opt-in funnel, as long as you're already logged into your System account, when you click on this, it should load a copy of a sales funnel that I created into your account for you, so that you have a sales funnel template, kind of like a website template, to help get your business going. And if you do decide to join my email list, you can reply to any of my emails if you have any questions or you need help with anything, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now that I've decided that I'm going to create an online course, now that I've decided that I want to help middle-aged men that are currently overweight lose weight and get in the best shape of their lives, I can move on to step 2, which is decide what form your offer or product will take and where or how you'll sell it. And I'm already thinking that an online course is a good place to start, and putting it on Udemy makes a lot of sense because that's a big popular online course marketplace, and it seems like there is a space in that market for a weight loss course that's specifically targeted at men. But Udemy is a marketplace that is only for online courses. So if you wanted to sell an ebook or some other type of digital product, you might be able to sell it on Etsy or on Gumroad. And if you Google search Etsy or Gumroad, you'll find these platforms very easily, and you can sell products on both of them for free. I think both of them will take a percentage of your sales, although I'm not sure if Gumroad does that or not, and I don't know how much it is in either case. Or you can just create a business Stripe or business PayPal account, and you can create products directly in Stripe and then just create payment pages and set up your own method of product delivery. And I'm not sure if you can create products in PayPal, but you definitely can invoice people for things and create payment links. So between Stripe and PayPal and Etsy and Gumroad, there are any number of ways that you can sell stuff online, but the method that I'm going to recommend is that you create a Stripe and or PayPal account and you integrate them with System. And as I mentioned, System.io is, in my opinion, the best free sales funnel and all-in-one business or marketing software. And it's also one of the best just in general in terms of an all-in-one tool, not only in terms of having by far the lowest pricing compared to its competitors and by far the best free plan out of the ones that have forever free tiers, but also just in terms of how easy the dashboard is to navigate and how easy it is to find everything and do everything. And it's a little bit light on features in certain areas. For example, advanced email marketing features, but on the free plan, you get 2,000 contacts. Most email marketing platforms don't even have free plans anymore. And if they do, they'll only give you like 500 contacts. Whereas on System, you can build your entire business on here for free, including using a custom domain or not using a custom domain. You can sell your digital products on here, and you can have up to 2,000 contacts. And then if and when you're ready to upgrade to the first paid tier, it starts at $17 a month if you pay monthly, or $170 a year if you pay annually. And I have at least 4 or 5 System tutorials on this channel. So if you want to see more of the back end of this tool and exactly how to set everything up, just search my channel for System. And remember, it's System with an E on the end because it's French. And again, on my resources page, you can sign up for your free account with this link. And when you come down to my top recommended free resources, you can get a free copy of my opt-in funnel. And I think it's actually a full sales funnel because I think I upgraded it since the last time that I edited this page. And so that is tons of different options. Again, you can sell digital products on marketplaces like Udemy, and Udemy is not the only online course platform. There's also Skillshare and Stack Skills and a number of others. If you're selling an ebook, you can sell it right on Amazon. You can also sell ebooks on Etsy and Gumroad, or you can sell them directly yourself just using Stripe or PayPal, or you can create Stripe and or PayPal, integrate them with System, and then that way you can create your entire own sales funnel and email marketing, which is going to enable you to be a lot more effective at sales and have a much better conversion rate for the efforts that you put into your marketing. And what I would recommend for this step is that you take some time to gain an understanding of how these options work. So get an understanding of how Etsy works, of how Gumroad works. Take a look at how Stripe and PayPal work if you haven't used them before, and sign up for a free System account using my link and see what you can build in there. And then once you understand how these things work, it should be pretty easy for you to decide what the best option is for you. Or it might be none of these, because, for example, I didn't list Udemy here. So if you're doing an online course and you think it would do well on Udemy, you can put it there. And again, there's lots of other options out there. These are just the most basic ones that I recommend, especially if you want to get started for free, because all of these options are free to set up. The only thing that you pay in any of these cases is a small percentage of what you earn in the case of Stripe and PayPal, and I think a slightly larger percentage in the case of Etsy and Gumroad. But that would be the same on Udemy. That's because you're benefiting from the fact that it's an existing marketplace full of buyers. And so once you've gained a working understanding of that and you've decided exactly what you're going to sell in step one, and you've decided exactly what form your offer will take and where you're going to sell it, then you can move to step three, which will be creating a minimum viable product or MVP and trying to get your first 1 to 10 sales. And the reason I say your first 1 to 10 sales is first you focus on getting your first sale, then you focus on getting your second sale, and then you can aim for 5, and then you can aim for 10, and then you can decide what you want to do from there. But I would say in most cases, unless it's a very high ticket product, you're probably going to need to sell it at least 10 times before you've even come close to validating the idea. And these sales can be to anyone. See if you can sell it to anyone that you already know. If you have former clients or customers or existing clients or customers, you can try selling it to them. If you have an email list or a social media following, if you have a friend who you think would be interested, just create the product, make it available for sale online, and then see if you can sell it. And even if you can't make any sales initially, you will at that point have something to iterate on, and you'll be able to start learning from any mistakes that you're making and working towards getting that first sale. But until you actually have something to sell, you can't even work towards making that first sale. So it's very important to get that MVP out once you've decided who you're going to help, what you're going to help them with, what form the offer is going to take, and where you're going to sell it. And I have quite a few recent tutorials on using a variety of AI tools to create digital products, including ebooks and audio and video products. And you can use System to sell all types of digital products, including courses. System includes video hosting and course creation and everything like that. And if you need a little bit of extra help getting started creating your product, then that's why I recommend using the free PLR link on my resources page, because that will get you 10 free credits to my favorite PLR website. And that's more than enough to get some content that you can use to create a product very quickly from. And then if you combine that with watching 1 or 2 of my tutorials on how to use AI tools, to customize PLR or to create your own digital products, you'll be able to create something worth selling in, I would say, 2 to 7 days. You can potentially do it over a weekend, and you should definitely be able to get it done in 1 week. Thank you for watching this long. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to leave them in the comments. Or if you visit the resources page linked in the description, you can sign up for my email list, get a free copy of my ebook, and reply to any of my emails if you need one-on-one help. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.